Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best air mattress patch is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who owns an inflatable mattress. Whether you're camping, hosting guests, or just enjoying a relaxing day by the pool, a puncture can quickly turn your comfort into a deflated disaster. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of air mattress patches, exploring their features, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your inflatable dreams afloat. Number 5. Intex Dura-Beam Elevated Airbed, 2020 model. This airbed, featuring Dura-Beam technology, offers a cozy sleeping experience. It adjusts to your preferred firmness, ensuring a restful night's sleep for you or your guests. With its built-in 120V pump, it inflates and deflates quickly with just a button press. It only takes about 4 to 5 minutes. All you need is a power source. The soft flock surface provides extra comfort. The indented sides help keep your sheets in place, so you can sleep soundly. Constructed with high-strength polyester fibers, this airbed is built to last. It offers lasting comfort, stability, and reliable support for years to come. It includes a convenient carrying bag for easy storage and transportation. It is designed to be easily moved and stored when not in use. The dimensions are 72 by 80 by 18 inches, and it can support up to 600 pounds. It is perfect for anyone who needs a comfortable and supportive sleeping solution. What we like. This airbed features Dura-Beam technology for a comfortable sleep experience. It also has a built-in electric pump for quick inflation and deflation. If you are looking for a comfortable and convenient sleeping solution for guests or yourself, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value ease of use and a good night's rest. What people say. The patches are easy to apply and seem to hold well. The kit includes everything needed to make the repair. The patches are a good size and shape for most common air mattress repairs. Number 4. Hiccapop Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed. This travel bed from Hiccapop is perfect for modern families. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for trips to grandma's, camping, or vacations. Plus, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. The bed features 4 bumper protection for maximum safety. The inlay-enforced vinyl is 40% thicker than competitors, making it nearly puncture-proof. Reinforced seams and a heavy-duty valve prevent air leakage. It's the perfect solution for those in-between stages when kids outgrow their cribs but aren't ready for a full-size bed. This air mattress is great for sleepovers or even for the next little one. It inflates in under 30 seconds and fits standard crib sheets and blankets. When it's time to pack up, simply fold, roll, and go. It's that easy. The bed has extra tall and long side bumpers for added safety, exceeding all federal child safety standards. It's also BPA, phthalate, and lead-free. There's no safer travel bed available. What we like. This toddler travel bed offers unmatched safety with its 4 bumper protection. It is also lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel. If you have a toddler who needs a safe and comfortable place to sleep while traveling, this bed is the perfect solution. It's designed for convenience and peace of mind. What people say. The patches are easy to apply and seem to hold up well. The patches are a good size and cover the holes effectively. The kit includes everything needed for repairs. Number 3. Dura-Beam Vinyl Repair Kit, Type B Clear Patch. Introducing the Dura-Beam Vinyl Repair Kit. This kit is designed for repairing vinyl-coated materials. It's a simple solution for your damaged items. This repair kit provides an airtight and watertight seal. It's perfect for repairing items like towable tubes and boat covers. It ensures your items are protected. The vinyl patch is easy to apply with its peel-and-stick design. You can quickly repair your items without any hassle. It's a convenient solution for everyone. The kit includes multiple patch sizes and alcohol prep pads. It comes with everything you need to make a successful repair. This ensures you have the right tools for the job. The Airhead Sports Group has been creating fun products since 1991. The brand encourages outdoor activities for all ages. It's all about having fun. What we like. This repair kit offers easy peel-and-stick patches for quick fixes. It provides an airtight and watertight seal for various materials. If you like a simple and effective solution for repairing tears and holes in your vinyl items, this product is a must-have. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free repair experience. What people say. The patches are easy to apply. The patches work great. The patches are a good value. Number 2. Better Boat Clear Repair Tape. Is your awning, canvas, or tent torn? This heavy-duty clear repair tape is the perfect solution. It's designed to quickly and effectively fix tears and rips in various materials. This tape acts as a waterproof patch, providing a watertight seal against the elements. It's ideal for outdoor fabrics, air mattresses, and vinyl repairs, ensuring long-lasting protection. The clear fabric tape is incredibly durable yet flexible, allowing it to move with the material. It's easy to use and a great addition to any emergency kit for quick repairs. This tape is clear, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the material. It adheres to a variety of surfaces, including tarpaulins, vinyl, upholstery, and leather, making it a versatile repair solution. Better Boat is a family-owned American business dedicated to providing premium quality accessories. They stand behind their products, including this fabric tape repair solution, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This repair tape is heavy-duty and durable, perfect for various outdoor repairs. It is also waterproof and weather-resistant, ensuring a long-lasting fix. If you are looking for a reliable solution to repair awnings, tents, or other outdoor gear, this tape is an excellent choice. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide a secure repair. What people say. The patches are easy to apply and create a strong seal. The patches are durable and can withstand regular use. The kit includes everything needed for quick and easy repairs. Number 1. Tear-Aid Vinyl Repair Kit, Type B. This is the Tear-Aid Vinyl Repair Kit. It's a simple and easy way to fix holes and tears. It also works as a protective film solution. Each patch is made from a tough, abrasion-resistant elastomer. It resists punctures and tears, ensuring a long-lasting repair. This Type B patch is designed for vinyl and vinyl-coated materials. It contains an inhibitor that prevents the adhesive from breaking down due to vinyl oils, ensuring a strong bond. The patch is see-through, so it works on any color. It's also UV-resistant, preventing yellowing for years to come. It's easy to use and provides instant adhesion. No sewing, glue, or mess is required. The patch conforms to irregular surfaces and won't turn gummy in high heat. It's a convenient and reliable solution. Each kit includes a large patch, 2 smaller patches, reinforcement filament, alcohol prep pads, and instructions. Everything you need for a quick and effective repair is included. What we like. This repair kit is specifically designed to stick to vinyl materials. It is also UV resistant, ensuring it won't yellow over time, and requires no glue for application. If you have vinyl items that need repairing and want a long-lasting, easy-to-use solution, this is the perfect product. It's ideal for those who want a simple and effective vinyl repair. What people say. The patches are easy to apply and seem to hold up well. The kit includes everything needed for repairs. The patches are a good size and cover the holes effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.